Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford F250 key fob battery. First, locate the small slot on the side of your key fob. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you will see the old battery. With the key fob open, you'll see the circular battery. Use the same small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Pay attention to how the old battery is oriented, noting which side faces up. This is crucial for installing the new battery correctly. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. Now, take your new CR2450 battery. Place it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one was. Gently press the battery into place until it sits securely. Then, align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them together until you hear a click, indicating they are sealed. After reassembling, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle to ensure everything is working correctly. This simple battery change can save you a trip to the dealership and is a quick fix. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping hydrated is important, and a good water bottle makes it easy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.